Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be doing a face reveal. As I promised, I said I was going to do a face reveal at 20,000 subscribers, and here we are today, almost 20,000 subscribers, and I just thought I'd do it. So what I wanted to do is, first of all, thank you guys for all your support and everything. I could not have done this without you guys. If it wasn't for you, I wouldn't be here. That's one thing. It's been an amazing ride, actually, like a really amazing ride, and it all started with one ESC. It was just one ESC. It was a Racer Star 35 amp MS series. It was crazy. Back then I had an Eoshine Falcon, as I remember. I mean, if you guys want to hear this, so I had an Eoshine Falcon, and it had the ESCs. They were Simon K ESCs, and I could never get them to calibrate correctly. And I watched this channel called RC Flyer 85, and RC Flyer 85 was showing, I think, how to upgrade his Falcon to Racer Star 2205S motors and the Racer Star 35 amp MS series. It was pretty crazy back then. So BLHeli-S was barely, I think, coming out with D-Shot and stuff, and I was still rocking those, you know, Simon K, but I really didn't matter. I really didn't know nothing about those ESCs. Anyways, it really pissed me off that I could never calibrate them on the Eoshine Falcon. So from RC Flyer's video, I said, you know what, I'm gonna do the same thing. So it's a 2205 Racer Star motor, and at the current moment of time, the Eoshine Falcon came to 2204. So I was like, oh, one number, so it's gonna be stronger. I was like, yeah. So I picked some up, and I also picked up the Racer Star 35 amp MS series at the time. I was like, oh, they're small, purple, they look nice, they're gonna look good. I think they're gonna perform very good. So I picked those up. I put them on, everything's perfect. It was just amazing, and I tried 4S. It was absolutely phenomenal. I burnt the OSD. Back then, you couldn't use a 4S or it'll burn the OSD, because of the way the OSD was a separate chip on that one, and the OSD was taking, I think, battery voltage or something, but it burned. When you plug in a 4S, it'll burn the OSD, and that's what happened to me. But that's not the issue. And then I wanted to put D-Shot, because D-Shot, there's no calibration, because, you know, I came from the reason why I switched to ESCs was because of the calibration problem. And the Racer Star 35 amp MS series did have the BB2 chip, but they had a capacitor between the signal and the BB2 chip, thus eating the signal when it's too fast, like on D-Shot 600. So at the current moment of time, there was a lot of posts or on the GitHub, on the Betaflight GitHub page, on the wiki. There was just a bunch of posts of how to modify the ESCs to run D-Shot 600, because most of them back then, all of them, came with the capacitor between the signal and the BB2 chip, and it was eating the signal. So, you know, there was some for the DYS XS DV2 and all these things, and mine, there was nothing, you know. So I was like, okay, well, how hard can it be? And all it is, you need to know which one's the signal pin on the BB2 chip, follow it, find a capacitor, and just remove it. So I tested that, I did that, and it worked. It took like, what, 10 minutes? It worked. I said, you know what, I'm gonna make a video because nobody's done this. Maybe I give back to the community. So I did that. And I didn't know it got posted on the GitHub page. After a while, I realized that people told me, I found you from the GitHub page. I was like, what? It was, I think, around 4 months after it was posted that I really knew it was there. And you know, it's ever since then, you know, it's been actually an amazing ride. The channel has been growing fairly quickly. I mean, not super quickly, but it's quite quick compared to others in this hobby. And I'm just really grateful, and I really can't thank you guys enough. I never thought in a million years this is what I'd be doing. I mean, ever. I just thought I'd just document some things I'm doing just for fun, you know, just later on in life to come back and look at what the hell I was doing. And then it just evolved. It just took its own path, and it evolved, and you know, now I'm here, and you know, a little small fish on YouTube, but it's phenomenal. It's really awesome. I mean, really awesome. I can't thank you guys enough. I mean, obviously without you guys I wouldn't be here, and it's just been absolutely great, really great. And the least I could do is do the face reveal for you guys, and thank you personally for 20,000 subscribers. And I know I have to do giveaways, so I'm gonna try to do a giveaway, and at the same time I'm gonna try to talk to some companies to also do giveaways so they could ship it to you, and see if we could do a nice proper giveaway for everybody. And yeah, that's it, guys. So I really thank you for everything. It's been an amazing ride, and I really hope I get to continue doing this, and it's been an absolute honor to serve the community and give at least some valuable information to help someone out there. And that's it. So I really hope you guys enjoyed my content, and I really do hope that I could continue to bring you good content and good valuable information, and to keep doing this, because I really love doing this. I'm actually obsessed with doing this. And yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you so much, and I appreciate everything, all your comments, all your support, everything, guys. And I'll see you next time. See you guys. Take care.